Okay, now I will show you the logical operator. So create a new class. Okay. So at first you have to know about the logical operator. Logical operators are used in programming to perform logical operation on Boolean values like true or false. Okay, so these operators allow you to combine, manipulate Boolean and expression. Here I will explain some logical operator like and or not. So this is the basically logical operator included. So what is and? Okay, so returns true if both operator are true. Okay, otherwise it returns false. This is including of and operator. Then I will discuss the or operator. It's that's mean returns true if at least one of the operands is true. If both are false, it returns false. Okay, so not operator is that mean returns true if the operand is false, and false if the operand is true. It negates the given Boolean expression. Okay, so I will show by example by coding. Okay, so here you have to create a function. So if it Boolean like b equal to true, then true false. Okay, then like for heading, always paste here logical. And so first year bracket, I will show the percent. Okay, then go to the bracket. Therefore, sorry, Q. This will be parameter. This is the end logical. Sorry, so some type mistake. Okay, so this display, I will show you the or operator. So, first command, and first bracket. Using this. Q. Okay, so now, so if I run this, what will be the answer? Okay. Look at this. This is the and or operator. So p equal to true and false equal to q equal to false. So this is the and operator. So that's why output executing false, and or operator output executing true. So overall is that mean of a logical operator. So these operators are commonly used in conditional statements like loops and other control flow structure in programming language to make decision based on truthfully or falsity of certain condition. Okay. So next I will show you ternary operator like integer minimum and a greater than b and okay. So create a new class, write down any operator. So ternary operator, create a new function. Okay, now I am explaining this. In Java, ternary operator is shorthand way of writing in like if-else statement. It is also known as a conditional operator because it evaluates Boolean expression. Okay, and it returns one of two values depending on whether the expression is true or false. Okay, so that overall the mean of the ternary operator. So now I'm giving the some example, like if I take integer 5, then equal to 10. Okay, sorry. So, for deadlines generated. So I will complete with shortcut. Yeah, yes. So if I run this, then it's sorting by the minimum value is 5. Okay. In this example, expression x greater than y and a greater than b is true or false for finding the accurate result which input uh, greater than a or b. Okay, so it's important to note that the ternary operator is concise way of expressing simple conditional assignments. Okay, and it should be used judiciously to maintain core readability. So complex logic is generally better suited for traditional if or else statement. So I will explain it next video. So if else statement I will explain totally. Okay. So create a new class which topic now I'm discuss. So now I want to discuss an assignment operator. Assignment operators is so familiar because we have get from this operator from childhood programming. So like create a new class, new is assignment. Okay. So it's not okay. So this is okay. In programming language like Java, assignment operator is used to assign value to variable, and the syntax is straightforward. Okay, so I'll I'm giving some example like given function, then write data integer x of 5 y equal to 3. Okay, so sort for line this. So write down simple this. Okay, and repeat. Plus x. So next step will be x So if I explain this, then that will be clear. Like if that mean equivalent to, yeah, equivalent to x equal to y. Okay. X equal to y. Sorry, should be x equal to x plus y. This is the sign of this assignment operator. Okay. So is that mean equivalent to negative x equal x minus 4. Is there any problem? Little mistake here, any? Okay. And then so that's part of x equal x into y. Okay, x multiple. Sorry. Okay. Then it should be x equivalent to so equal. Sorry. I should be that x equal x. Okay. Then it should be same. Then so basically, in this example, x is declared the value of agent to using the assignment operator. It's important to distinguish the assignment operator equal from the equity operator equal, and the assignment operator is used to assign a value variable, while the equity operator is used to compare two values equity. Okay, so the assignment operator is used to sum up the x and computable y. So overall, this code demonstrates the use of various assignment operator in Java. These operators provide a concise way to perform the operation as in the result back to the variable. So here is the brief total explanation of each assignment operator. So after all, all the print the result corresponding the assignment operator. So if I run this, the value of x changes after each operation. Look at this: 8, 5, 15, 5, and 2. So overall, print the result